Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy that I will share you in this video right here. So using my hidden trick that how to promote CPA offers, basically we will talk in this uh, topic right here in this video that how you can promote the CPA offers for absolutely free, that you can simply copy and paste at the backside. You can earn a huge amount of money from that. So I'm going to share with you step by step. Stay with me to the end of this video. So at the end of this video, you will see the result that how you can do that and how you can make it possible to make a huge amount of money from this specific strategy. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPALead or CPAGrip.com. So you can simply find it out different offers right here. If you just sign up with the CPAGrip and you log into your account, you can simply see here a lot of offers right here available that you can simply just click on that and grab your affiliate link and start promoting and making money from that. But if you just sign up with the CPALead, you will see the interface like this one right here, and you can simply see here different offers that you can simply choose and you can start promoting right here. But in this video, I'm going to share with you something different and different offer, the exact offer that it can absolutely working and absolutely you can target the people right here. So we can simply scroll down and we can see here the world need us. This is one offer. Basically it's available in all devices and it is a survey type actually that people can submit their email and just add a survey, and then we can simply target those people very easily. So we can simply just click on the offer right here and they will give us more information that we will be getting paid like $5.79 for this, and the type is they need to email submit and survey, and it's already active, and the country is Albania. So we have to get Albanians people for this offer to getting paid for that. So for that reason, we just need to grab our affiliate link and just shorten or with bit.ly or tiny URL, or even we can simply just shorten with, for example, uh, with free landing page like Linktree and any other one like Wix.com, Blogger.com, or WordPress.com for free. You can simply create a page and you can embed your link there, and then you can simply copy that page link or that Linktree page link. You can simply copy that and you can start promoting right here. Basically, this is a weight loss offer actually that you can simply put in front of other people, actually Albanian people, and they can simply sign up for that. So once they sign up, so we're getting paid for that right here. So the coolest way is right here that we can have a free method and free traffic on the Pinterest.com. Pinterest is one of the greatest and coolest website that we can simply have for absolutely free, and that's a lot of traffic that we can simply get it for absolutely free right here. If you just look here, monthly visit to this is 959, means almost a billion people are coming to this website each month right here, as you can see here. And most of the traffic of this Pinterest is from United States, then Brazil, India, Argentina, and Colombia. So we do need this type of traffic right here, something like these countries. But we don't need to use United States traffic right here because we are targeting Albanian. So how we can target them? We can simply just go to the search bar right here and we can simply just type, for example, Albania. We can simply type it and then we will have different keywords for Albania. Okay, right here, for example, uh, Albanian, for example, uh, plug, Albanian quotes, Albanian culture, Albanian, for example, tattoo, Albanian receipts, and other something like that. So we can simply just click on Albanian receipts right here. So these are those people that they are already interested and they are in Albania and they are already interested with Albanian foods and other things right here. So we can simply just click on any one of these right here on these receipts, for example. We can simply just click on that. Once we click on this, we will have more information right here. So here we can simply see here the user. We can simply just click on that. Okay, we can simply just click on that, or we can simply just have this one right here. We can simply just click on that, and here we can simply find it out the file, the follower that they already got it. So must those followers have to be from there Albania, and they are actually because they are using Albanian's food and Albanian style, so that's why they are from Albania. So we can easily target them by just clicking them our followers, and we can simply just open these people right here. For example, just open in another tab right here. So this will be pop up right here. So once we just click on that and open that right here, let's just wait for that to open right here. Is as you can see here, we have the option for message right here without following. So we can simply just click on the message, and we can simply just write a type of something like that. For example, we can simply just type, for example, right here, and then we can simply write, for example, the name hello, and you have to add your name, for example, whether that is John or something like that, anything that is. So you can simply just tell the name, for example, and then you can simply tell I have seen you on the Pinterest, for example, and following different Albanian culture. To be honest, we have a great offer for Albanians, and if you love for free offers, then check out in our bio right here. And thanks, for example, you can add your name right here. So you have to have your own profile right here. That is absolutely free. You need to sign up, add an image, add a name, for example, and add, for example, uh, a website link. So the website link have to be the Linktree link or your affiliate link. You can simply add it in that, and that will basically show you right here. Okay, so that will show you right here. Let me show you here that how people are using. As you can see here, this is the email address that they. But if you use in your portion in the setting option, if you use your Linktree link, so basically it will come right here and pop up here, and you can redirect people to this link right here. Whenever people just click on that, so they will be redirected to this page right here. Let me just show you how that will be. They will be show you right here whenever they sign up, so we get the commission. So there are unlimited targeted people like these, and you can open one by one, and you can send the message to those different people. Whenever they sign up, we get the commission $5.79 for each single person, which is absolutely a free method, free style, and free strategy for absolutely free. But if you want to have a quicker result, then then check out the link in the description for this video, and you can be redirected to a paid method that you can make thousands of dollars on a two payload every single day actually, but that have to be paid method, and you need to pay for that. But if you need is exactly free method, then this can work for you, and you can, the only thing and the only requirement is that to take action on this method and be consistent and target these people every single day, and you can make a huge amount of money from that. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment if you have any question or concern, and can respond to that as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the and just turn the bell notification into all, because whenever we upload any single video, you will be notified and you will be the first person to get benefit from that. So stay blessed till next brand video, and see you awesome.